Hello boys, and we gonna do this separate element, the upper part and the lower part, so up and low, because it is not I think this is not achievable with only one element. At least I am not I am not there yet. I'm not an expert to not yet an expert to achieve this curve shape with a so up, refer this to a brackets, like square brackets, and then let's create the upper part first. So this is border radius 50%, this is circle, and the height is much more larger than the width, and then center this position, absolute margin auto, inset 0, make this larger, 20, reduce the width. The color is this green. Reduce the width to 180, like that, and let's add the lower part. Copy this up, paste it down here, name it low, and then actually let's create a triangle out of this to achieve this jawline. So what am I going to do? Width is per 30 pixel, height is 0, and then with the radius, border left 75 pixel, this color transparent, solid, transparent. Copy this up 2 times, and this is right, this is top, and the color of this triangle is this. No, actually let's color it black for now. Let's just change the color later. And then bring this down on the bottom. The top, probably 150 pixel. Left, bottom, and right. Okay. 170. Yeah, close enough. Okay. I guess we'll stick to 30. And then change its color to this one. We have actually no way to border this to curve its jaw, because we are having these borders. If we try to create a border radius of 50%, yeah, it won't do anything really useful, but yeah, at least we got some progress. Okay, I will take this for the face. Now for the eyes, let's create the eye. I1 and I2. The I1 represents the left eye, so copy this I, paste it down here on the top. So this eye has a width, height of like 75 pixel, width of 50, and then the color is this dark, so background dark, border radius 50 pixel percent. How's that? And reduce the size, of course, 70. Then bring this on the middle, so here copy these 3 lines, Alt tab, and then the custom position, so we need to somehow push this on the left side, so negative value 75 pixel, then bottom 0 and right also 0. Now we need to rotate this transform, rotate 45 degrees. It's actually negative 45 degrees, and yeah, check the diff to see the difference, and then reduce the height, reduce the overall size, 50, that's too much, 60, then this is 40, and bring this on the bottom, so positive value here, 20, like 50, and then to the left, move this 25 pixel more. So my eye is much more smaller than the original, so let's make this bigger, 65, the height of 60, too much, 70, nope, 65, 60, 65, so let's drop it, 60, and the border radius is 50, can't really tell. Yeah, let's make the height bigger. This looks creepy. 42, 40. Anyway, let's just reduce the height 60 to 40. That's enough. Let's just take this. I don't want to drag this long. So copy the I1, name this I2, then this would reflect the right, so positive value. Actually, you can remove the pixel value here, and then this is positive to rotate it on the other ways. Then lastly is the background, so just put a body selector here and then background. I always put background last. That. And with that being said, let's submit. It's 99.2. Oops, screenshot. What's that? 99.